Well, hey there, my beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about something that I hear my clients talk about all the time. I just don't have time for a complicated routine in the morning. And they felt this way and felt overwhelmed by 12-step routines, or they're confused by products, if they're actually work or when they actually have time to get all of it together. So this video is specifically for you. I'm going to walk you through 5 essential steps that my busiest professional clients swear by, and then the exact routine that has helped them look polished and feel confident without sacrificing their precious morning time. And the best part, you're going to see me demonstrate the techniques in the real time so you can follow along and master the routine so you can do it tomorrow morning. Let's do this. So girlfriend, let's be honest. Mornings are hectic, right? And between getting yourself ready, possibly getting your kids out of the door, and checking emails that came in overnight, maybe you're trying to squeeze in a quick workout or even a meditation. Skincare is often becomes an afterthought. So here's what I tell my Mary Kay clients. Those few minutes you invest in your skincare can compound over time. And it's not about vanity, it's about presenting your most confident self to the world. Whether you're in a boardroom, on a Zoom call, or meeting with your clients, the key is choosing multitasking products that have several jobs at once. And that's why I love the Mary Kay Time Wise line. It's specifically designed for busy women who need results without the complicated routine. And I'm sure that's you. So I wanted to first and foremost show you about cleansing. And this is the most important step of your routine. You want to cleanse even when if you wash your face at night. You want to do it in the morning to remove the impurities while you were sleeping, anything that transferred from your pillowcase to your skin, and actually cleanse your skin the right way with the Time Wise cleaner. So I'm going to show you this. I did this this morning. The Time Wise cleanser is a great way to wash away impurities and makeup residue. It helps exfoliate dead skin cells and have your skin brighter. It also tones, and it allows you to really be able to cleanse your T-zone and really get that area super clean, especially if you're oily like me. So as you can see, I'm making sure that I cleanse the T-zone and really get in all over my face when I do this. So the great thing about this is that the Time Wise cleanser comes in 2 formulas, normal to dry and combination to oily. And it helps you personalize your skincare system based on actually what your skin needs. One of the things that I like to do when it comes to cleansing my face is I use lukewarm water more so than hot water, because the hot water strips my face of my natural oils. Now, if you are using a technique, or if you're cleansing your face and you want to have an extra step, so a targeted type of treatment specifically for your skin type, maybe a serum C to brighten, a hyaluronic acid for extra hydration, or even a spot treatment for your breakouts, this step is going to help you be able to customize your routine and really allow you to give your skin exactly what it needs in a matter of seconds. And you would do this after you cleanse your face. So I'm going to continue to let the video play of me cleansing my face so you can actually see how this works for you. So this is the targeted type of treatment is going to be something that you do before you put on your moisturizer, because you want it the closest to your skin. So after you cleanse your face, after you wash all of the cleanser off of your face, this is definitely the next step that you would do after you pat your face dry. So as you can see, I'm really taking the true time to really cleanse my face. You typically want to cleanse your face for about 60 seconds. And you're doing that twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. So as I wash this off, if I decided that I wanted to do a targeted treatment for my specific skin type, I could do that here, but we're just going to splash this off and get all of the cleanser off my face. Now, there's basically two essential steps to skincare. There is the cleanser, of course, because you want to remove the impurities in the foundation and the makeup residue. But after you cleanse your face, if you're really pressed for time, this next step is something that you definitely want to do to make sure that your skin feels good. And it is definitely the moisture step. So you want to moisturize your skin next. And so that would be the next step that we do here. Okay. Hydration is definitely power. And this would be the step 3 or step 2, depending if you didn't have a treatment. So we're going to apply the antioxidant moisturizer. This is a must-do step for all skincare regimens. Moisturizer is a busy person's dream because it deeply hydrates without, it also has powerful no damage, and then it has anti-aging benefits that help make your skin to maintain its firmness. So like cleanser, it comes in 2 formulas, normal to dry and combination to oily. And this really allows you to personalize your skincare the way you want to. Now, when you apply the moisturizer, you're using upward strokes, as you saw me in that video. And I always tell my clients that it doesn't just stop at your face. You want to put it on your chin, on your neck, as well as your chin, as well as your neck. And then that's exactly what you want to do. So wanted to also remind you guys that we want to continue to provide you with value through these videos. So make sure that you take the time to subscribe. So just click the subscribe button. We will be producing a video every week. It comes out on Tuesday. So just look for us to the video on Tuesday at 7 p.m. So look for that video every Tuesday so we can help you with your beauty care needs and help you rock your uniqueness. So now we're going to move on to the next step, which is the 4th step, which is the sunscreen. And this is great for folks that are not allergic to sunscreen. This is where you would apply the Mary Kay Time-Wise Defender sunscreen with an SPF of 30. Even if you're outside, even if you're inside all day, and even if it's cloudy, you still want to apply sunscreen because you're getting sun exposure when you walk from your house to the car or your work from the car. UVA and UVB rays penetrate the windows, and it can contribute to premature aging. So you want to make sure that you actually are applying this sunscreen on a regular basis. The Daytime Defender is lightweight, it absorbs quickly, and it can be done before your makeup application, and it won't interfere with it. Remember to apply this on your neck as well as your chin to make sure that you have all of your essential parts of your face, because it doesn't just stop at your face. I'm sure you've seen those women that have you look at their face and their face looks so young, and then you go past their face and you see their neck, and it shows, you can tell that they haven't been treating their neck like they treat their face. So you want to make sure that you take the time to do that with this with the Defender, Daytime Defender. Put it on your face, you put it on your chin as well as your neck. So next we're going to apply the eye cream. So I'm going to bring the video back up again. So now we're applying the eye cream, and the eye cream is essential, and it should be done after you apply your moisturizer. You're just going to put it around your eyes because the skin around your eyes is the thinnest skin on your face, and it shows signs of fatigue and aging as a result of that. So it's formulated to reduce the appearance of fine lines. It decreases puffiness. It's also an essential step for when you have late nights or if you don't sleep well. It also brightens your eye area. And when you see how I'm using my ring finger to apply it, just to quickly tap it in, you want to make sure that you're doing that on a gentle basis. Although the actual eye cream that I'm using here is the Time Box Repair Eye Cream. So it has that nice little roller that really allows you to get around your eyes. Now, for busy professionals, this is the secret weapon against looking tired in the morning at meetings. So you definitely want to make sure that you're doing this. Apply the eye cream after you apply your moisturizer. So this is definitely an essential step. So now, putting it all together, let's talk about the timing. It's actually time when you time this routine with a dozen of my clients from start to finish. It takes anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes to do, and that's it. The key is having the products organized and making sure they're accessible. I would recommend you setting it in order of application so that you can quickly move from one step to another without thinking about it. Many of my clients keep their cleanser in the shower and they keep it separate from their makeup. So that way, when you're taking your shower, you can quickly wash your face and then you come out of the shower, apply your moisturizer and your makeup. So having that on your vanity in one spot. So you have it. Those are the 5 essential steps for your skincare routine that actually works. It's simple enough that you can do consistently, but efficient enough to really see the results. And remember, consistency beats complexity every time. So a simple routine you do every day will give you the best benefits, and that's not complicated and that you occasionally do. So if you would like to personalize it, if you would like personalized advice for your specific skin concerns, I offer a complimentary checkup from the neck up consultation where you can analyze your skin, create a custom routine just for you. And you can schedule it using this link right here. You can scan the QR code. We'll also have the link in the description. As always, if you have any questions about adopting this routine for your specific needs, drop that in the comment and I will personally respond to them. Personally respond to the comment. Until next time, take care of your skin. It isn't selfish to do that. It is a self-investment. So you deserve more than those few mornings you deserve those few minutes in the morning to take care of you. Okay. Great chatting with you, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.